Today we're going to review how to do linked smart objects. First, I have a 6" by 4" background white, and I just added the text Alumni Recognition Field Pass. Next, I want to create a rectangle as below. I'm going to click my rectangle tool. Okay, and right here, as I'm drawing it, I can see the size of the rectangle, and I can also go back a little bit later and adjust the size. So right up here, I've got my shape. When I go to the fill color, to change my fill color, I can click in my fill. I can click right here for my color picker, and I want to use FF5A1E and press OK. Next, I want to add a stroke of 10. So I'm going to change that to 10 pixels. I want to make my stroke option dashed. And I want to make it exactly 7.4 by 3.4 inches. And right here we can work with our alignment. So I want to align it to the center. And finally, to add our stroke color, all I have to do is click right here under stroke, the color picker. And on this one we want to do 142.864, which is the official colors of Southern Lee High School. And again, make sure that is 10 pixels. So just to review, I've got my 8.5 by 11 parking pass for homecoming. And then I have a 4 by 6 one that just has Alumni Recognition Field Pass as well. So this is the whole thing we're looking for. So right here, I've got my design. It says Homecoming 2020 with the date on there. So I'm going to do Control A for all. Sorry, we are not going to do that. So here's what we're going to do. We have to go to File, Place Linked. So we're going to go to File, Place Linked, and I'm going to insert the one that says Homecoming 2020. Okay, I will need to resize that just a little bit, put it right down there, and we're done. Then I want to go to my Field Pass for Homecoming, File, Place Linked, okay, and the same. And I also have my football program here. So same thing, I want to do File, Place Linked, and I'm going to use the file Homecoming 2020 and resize it just a bit. Okay, so now I've got my 3 different documents. I've got my parking pass, I've got my field pass, and I've got my program guide. Hold on, the parking pass, same thing, File, Place Linked, and the file Homecoming. Okay. So how do I know that it is a linked file? So let's look at our layers panel here. This part right here where I see that link, that lets me know that this is a linked file versus just embedded. So this looks great. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. This is 2021, not 2020. So now I've got to go and change all 3 of these designs. Or, since we have done linked embedded, can we just go right here to the file Homecoming 2020, change it here to 2021, File, Save. So what do you think is going to happen when we look at our program guide? It's changed. Our field pass, it changed. And the parking pass video changed. So the whole point of this is learning how to use a linked file. Again, you can see right here that it's linked. So if we use a linked file, whenever we change the original, then we can change it. Actually, for 2020, it's Friday, October 8th at 7:30 p.m. Okay. Now, did that change it? No, because over here we have to click Save. So once we click Save on the original, then every place it has been embedded, every place it's been linked, not embedded, it will change. So if it's embedded, it won't change automatically. But if it is linked, then anytime you change the original, it will automatically change in everything else.